All right there, boys and girls, here we are, day number 2 of our February daily math. Problem number 1. Write a subtraction problem that equals 14. Well, we could do 15 minus 1. That would make it pretty simple, right? Let's go 20. Let's take 20. 20 minus what equals 14? Well, let's count up 14. So we go 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this should be a 6. All right. Number 2. School ends at 15 minutes after 3. Or a quarter after 3. If you've ever heard of that, quarter after. Show this time on the digital clock. So 15 minutes after 3. Well, it has to be after 3. So 3 what? Well, 15 minutes. 3:15. It says 15 minutes right there. So it is 3:15. That's also known as a quarter past. Or a quarter after. Number 3, have fun, boys. Number 3, February is the month of hearts and valentines. Monkey Shines has 18 valentines. Jeremy gave him 15 more. How many valentines does Monkey Shines have now? So we're going to start with the 18. Okay, and the 15 that he was given, 15 more. So we're going to add those together. How many valentines? Well, 8 plus 5 equals 13. Well, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So he has 33 valentines. All right, number 4 says, show 28 minus 13 on this number line. So we're going to start by making a mark up here at 28. Now we're going to take 1 10 off of that. So we're going to take away a 10. So 28 goes to 18. So there's minus 10. Okay. And then we still need to take 3 more away. Well, there's 1, 2, 3. Okay. So again, 28, there's the 10, so we're going to take the 10 off, then we take away the 3 ones, okay? All right, what is this number? Well, let's count it up here. We have 1, 2, 3 in the hundreds column, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 in the tens column, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in the ones column. For the number 349. All right, boys and girls, we will see you tomorrow for day 3 of our daily math.